You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this mythological character from Greek mythology. If you want to learn more names from Greek mythology, including the name of her husband, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Baucis is how it's pronounced in British English pronunciation. Baucis. Now, the Americans say it a bit more as bosses, alright? So, but you got the point. Baucis or bosses. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.